So in just 2 days' time, me and Austin are going to be spending over 40 days on our bikes, cycling over 2,000 kilometres across Europe. But you're probably wondering, how are they going to do it? So in this video, I'm going to be discussing the route that we'll be taking, the equipment that we're bringing, and also discuss how we've actually managed to train for this. So I'll start off by explaining our route. We're going to be leaving London on the 4th of August over to Paris. Then from Paris we'll be cycling east, and we hope to arrive in Luxembourg within 3 days. From Luxembourg we'll be cycling south through France and through a bit of Germany before we arrive in Zurich in Switzerland. From then on we'll be heading east through Switzerland and arrive in Munich. After a few days in Munich we'll continue cycling east and arrive in Vienna in Austria. And then finally, the last leg of the journey, we'll be leaving Vienna and cycling towards Budapest. In total the journey reaches over 2,000 kilometres and we are aiming to do it within 40 days if everything goes to plan. We understand that this route may change due to any travel restrictions, and we'll be checking the news every day for any updates. Now if you plan on doing something like this, then you probably should do some training. So for the last 3 months I've been getting out on the bike and I've been gradually increasing the distance that I cover, as well as the amount of weight that I carry with me. A few weeks back, me and Austin did a mini trial run down in Cornwall, where we spent 4 days cycling the coastline. This was super helpful in understanding exactly what items we still need and what items we can actually leave behind. Now, what kind of equipment do you need for a trip like this? Well, because we have to carry every single item with us wherever we go, we have to keep things super light. So I'm going to speed up my voice and go super quick through the equipment.
So we've got toilet roll, towels, goggles, cards, glasses, toiletries, tarp, sliders, shoes, 3 pairs of shorts, 3 t-shirts, pants, sleeping bag, roll-up mat, tent, because Austin doesn't want to carry it, lock, oats, pots, pans, coffee cup, coffee, water bottle, panniers. So I've got 2 panniers, I've got a backpack, got the drone, I've got the cameras, I've got 3 power banks, passport, tripod, padlocks, and of course I've got the mask.
Is that fast enough? Now, as much as this is going to be a crazy adventure for us, our main purpose is to raise as much money as we can for WWF's Amazon Appeal. We all saw the devastation that happened in the Amazon rainforest last year, and it is reported that this year is going to be even worse. We're getting so close to the tipping point in which we could lose the Amazon rainforest forever. So please, click on the link beneath this video and donate what you can. All of your donations will be going straight to the organisations that can intervene. We are going to be filming our whole trip across Europe and releasing a video every Saturday here on the Going Green YouTube channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and please leave a thumbs up. Thank you, and we'll see you next Saturday in France.